Stay tuned with Eric Tallman, Chief Meteorologist. He has a severe weather alert that was just passed on to us. Stay tuned. He is up next with that information and he's going to tell you all about it. Stay tuned. Eric Tallman is up next with the details on the severe weather headed towards southeast Michigan. And good morning and welcome to Channel 7 Action News Urgent Weather Center. We just wanted to let you know that we've had some active weather, so we are going to bring up the radar at this current time so we can let you know what's going on. If we can have the back pull up our radar, please. So, thank you. Okay, anyway, most of the state of Michigan is under a winter weather advisory. We're trying to pass on the information as quickly as possible, and we'll get it live streaming in just 15-20 minutes here. We just wanted to let you know the National Weather Service Detroit Pontiac has issued a winter weather advisory for freezing rain. It's actually a rain-snow mix event, and it will be in effect from 5 a.m. until 11 a.m. Once again, the National Weather Service Detroit Pontiac in Michigan has issued a winter weather advisory in effect until 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and those cities also include the following areas in our viewing area: Flint, Lapeer, Port Huron, Howell, Pontiac, Warren, Ann Arbor, Detroit, Adrian, Monroe, and other areas in the northern suburbs and in other cities in the metropolitan area. Once again, those cities are Flint, Lapeer, Port Huron, Howell, Pontiac, Warren, Ann Arbor, Detroit, Adrian, Monroe. I'm sorry, it was Monroe. And the counties that are in this winter weather advisory are, please take this very seriously. We knew that we were going to be under a winter weather advisory at some point because I did receive the information from the National Weather Service, and that was several hours ago. Okay? These counties do include that are under the winter weather advisory are Shiawassee, Genesee, Lapeer, St. Clair, Livingston, Oakland, Macomb, Wayne, Washtenaw, Lenawee, and Monroe. Those counties are Shiawassee, Genesee, Lapeer, St. Clair, Livingston, Oakland, Macomb, Wayne, Washtenaw, Lenawee, and Monroe County is under the winter weather advisory. In our viewing area, which would be in this area, way to the northeast, where you see Detroit listed right there. This is our viewing area right here. But most of the state of Michigan, even in the northern part of Michigan, is under the winter weather advisory. We're going to also include them, but we do not have a listing for them. People that are in Wisconsin, Illinois, you're under that winter weather advisory as well. Chicago, Illinois, Ohio, Indiana, you're under the winter weather advisory as well. It has been extended from Michigan all the way down to Ohio, Illinois. That's why we're urgently telling you to take this very seriously. We will have some other precipitation way down from the south that is also going to be moving in our direction, and the temperatures will be rising in a very slow fashion. The temperatures are not going to rise very, very quickly, but in a very slow pace, just to let you know. So the freezing rain and the snow and etc., you can see that this stuff is starting to move in. You can see over in the western part of Michigan, over by Grand Rapids, Lansing area, you guys are seeing the freezing rain right now. In some areas right now are seeing snow right now, but that freezing rain, that's going to be moving in our direction, so we're going to be seeing sleet and ice, and the travel conditions are going to be a mess for the morning commute, because that's what Channel 7 Action News had indicated before in yesterday's newscast. So once again, the winter weather advisory is in effect until 11 o'clock for our viewing area. So please stay tuned for further updates and possible warnings, and we'll have the very latest at a later time. Okay, and we'll see you in another hour. We'll continue to track this whole thing. We'll stay on top of it. And once again, we're always taking action for you on Channel 7 Action News. Stay tuned. This is your Chief Meteorologist, Eric Tallman. I'll have another update within the next hour. Stay tuned, and thank you for watching. We'll be back shortly when we receive more information. And if there's any advisories, warnings that do get canceled or are urgently asked to be put down, we'll let you know when the advisory has been officially canceled for Southeast Michigan. We'll see you in an hour. And once again, this is Chief Meteorologist Eric Tallman, and I'll see you at 5 o'clock with more information. Thank you for watching.